ketchup, the flour for the dough, pizza dough, and we have the what do you call this? Capsicum, olives, chicken strips, cheese, pepperoni. Let's start to make pizza.
Okay, wait. First, I'm eating. Where's my thing?
We're making mini pizza.
Mini pizza.
Mini pizza.
Cheetos.
Wow.
Cheetos sounds yummy.
This is so fun.
Yes.
Let Enaayah finish and then it's my turn. Whoa, that looks like a real happy face.
Yes.
Looks like a ghost.
Yes.
Ghost going
Now change the
down.
side. Now do.
Now, do you finish?
No.
Then.
They're not making it big now.
Ah,
Wait, that's not big.
I'm trying to make it a shape with my hand. Okay, I'll just wait. Is it ready?
No.
Please let me. 3, 2, 1. Move it. No, not now. First, let me finish.
Side पे करो.
Wow.
Now change the side.
Ah, stuck. Like this. Now let's put it down like a happy face. Ah, why it keep on getting stuck?
Pepperoni.
I don't know what is this.
Mariyam, help her.
Okay, come on, I'll help you even. Let me do it. Let me keep all of this inside back so it's easier. Yeah. I think that done. Okay, now fine. It's ready?
It's my cheese.
Okay,
This
shake.
is cheese.
What's it? So now let's do the 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, let me shape it back.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, now.
Cheese. They even have cheese.
No, it is not cheese. This is Mexico. Can I do? So now my dad is helping us put enough ketchup. Wow. Wait, let me bring another spoon.
That's my spoon.
I got another spoon. So now, bro, this is. I think it's actually going a little good. I don't know if it will go good. Ta-da! Is this good? No, Enaayah, they said Papa's no.
Okay.
This first. I'm putting some of these. I think 5 is enough, right?
Okay.
Okay, I think this is enough, right? Isn't it?
Yes, right.
I put chili, so now I'm gonna put olives.
Olives.
Perfect. I thought she took a bunch. Now let me put another one here. Perfect. Now pepperoni, pizza, pepperoni. Ah! Pepperoni, come out. Put only one pepperoni.
In the center.
Here. Okay, we put one pepperoni at top. Okay, I think.
They've been making pizza. Gimme pizza.
Dude.
Dal na. Okay, now it's chicken strips turn. Let's put this chicken strip. I will put a bunch of chicken strips.
Yes.
One on the pepperoni. One here, one here. Last one here. And my pizza is ready.
Yes.
Oh yeah, cheese. Cheese. I almost forgot about cheese. Ah. I'm kind of a pro at this. Is this enough? Is this enough? I need help. Actually, I think this is enough. It's ready.
It's ready.
Ta-da! Vida. Vida. Da da da. How does shape this?
Just 10 all together.
Everything is done.
Yes.
We will wait for 15 minutes. We will come back. Look, the pizza is cooking. Ooh. Are there 2 more pizzas?
Mm.
Ooh, they look so yummy.
Yes. It's yummy. It's so yummy.
Wow.
Wow.
Wait, I'm coming.
Wait, I'm coming.
See, my pizza is ready.
My pizza is ready.
Look how yummy it is. It's very thin strips. We just took it out from the.
Done.
My pizza done.
Okay.
It's yummy. You can try it at your home.